नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करुच्ची आपको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को। जदि आप एपर्यंत आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना तले थी घंटी आइकन को दबाई सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु। आम आपण सिटी विडी कंटिन्यूअस क्लासेस दे आसचु दे आसू डेली लाइव क्लास 6टार होची बिना कोचिंग रे आपण प्रिपरेशन करेंगे। चलते आरंभ करेंगे आज एपिसोड। जदि आप एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करना सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु। चलते आरंभ करेंगे आज एपिसोड। मु आज आपण दुईटा सेक्शन रे क्वेश्चन नहीं आसी 20 40टा क्वेश्चन नहीं आसी। फास्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं आसी मु आपण एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर जोटा इंपोर्टेंट होची सिटी बीडी सब आम चैनल फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल जदि एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करना कर दिंतु। चलते आरंभ करेंगे आज फास्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन is on your screen. Which of the following statement concerning an electron is false? Option A, it has a particle. B, it has wave properties. C, it is path bent by a magnet. D, it gives out energy while moving in orbital. So correct answer is option number D, it gives out energy while moving in orbitals. A जिनसड़ा false. Go to question number 2. Question number 2 है when hydrogen nuclei trap neutron they become gas. Option A, hydrogen atom. B, deuterium. C, tritium ion. D, beta rays. So correct answer is deuterium. Option number B is the correct answer. Go to next question. The British physicist who received 1923 Nobel Prize Physics for discovering the electron is किए थिले? So correct answer option A, John Dalton. B, James Chadwick. C, J.J. Thomson. D, E. Rutherford. So correct answer is J.J. Thomson. Option number C. Go to the next question. Question number 4. The atomic spectra of hydrogen was explained by option A, Rutherford model of atom. B, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. C, Pauli's exclusion principle. D, Bohr's theory. So correct answer is Bohr's theory. Option D is the correct answer. Go to next question. Radioactive isotope of hydrogen is option A, hydride ion. B, tritium. C, protium. D, deuterium. So correct answer is option number B, that is tritium. Go to next question. Question number 6. Neutrons are obtained by option A, bombardment of radium with alpha particles. B, bombardment of beryllium with beta particles. C, radioactive disintegration of uranium. D, none of the above. So correct answer is radioactive disintegration of uranium. Correct answer is option number C. Go to next question. Question number 7. Isobars are produced as a result of the emission of option A, alpha particle. B, gamma rays. C, X rays. D, beta particles. So correct answer is beta particles. Go to next question. The de Broglie equation is ta कौन कहिला? Option A, h by mv equal to lambda. B, h lambda equal to e2 minus e1. C, n nu equal to 2d sin theta. C is equal to h nu. So correct answer is h by mv equal to lambda. Option number A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Properties of elements determined by option A, atomic number. B, atomic weight. C, neutrons. D, proton. So correct answer is atomic number. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 10. Bohr's theory of fixed orbits contradicts option A, Coulomb's law. B, Planck's theory. C, de Broglie relation. D, uncertainty principle. So correct answer is uncertainty principle. Option number D is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 11. Which of the following has the same atomic number and same atomic weight? Option A, hydrogen. B, helium. C, oxygen. D, nitrogen. So correct answer is hydrogen. Option number A is the correct answer. Got a request? जदि आम चैनल को एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करना तले थिबा घंटी आइकन को दबाई सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु प्लीज सब्सक्राइब। जा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 the nucleus of hydrogen atom consists of option A proton, B 1 proton 2 neutron, C 1 neutron only, D 1 electron only. So correct answer is 1 proton. Go to next question. The name of the scientist Newland Mendeleev Mayer are associated with development of option A atomic structure, B metallurgy, C periodic table of elements, D discovery of elements. So correct answer is periodic table of elements. Option number C is the correct answer. Go to next question. The mass number of a nucleus is option A always less than its atomic number, B sum of the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus, C always more than atomic weight, D a fraction. So correct answer is option number B, the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. Go to next question. 15. The following are half-lives of 4 radioactive isotopes. Which one of the following is most dangerous to handle? Option A 3 billion years, B 100 years, C 0.01 minute, D 13 days. So correct answer is 0.01 minute. Option C is the correct answer. Anode rays were discovered by option A Goldstein, B Stanley, C Rutherford, D Thomson. So correct answer is option A, that is Goldstein. Neutron was discovered by option A Rutherford, B Langevin, C Chadwick, D Austin. So correct answer is Chadwick. Option number C. Go to next question. Which of the following is the correct sequence in terms of increasing mass? Option A proton electron alpha particle hydrogen atom, B electron proton hydrogen atom alpha particle, C hydrogen atom proton electron alpha particle, D alpha particle proton hydrogen atom electron. So correct answer is B, that is proton electron hydrogen alpha particle. Question number 19. Neutron are present in all atoms except option A helium, B carbon, C hydrogen, D nitrogen. So correct answer is hydrogen. Option number C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A isobar possess same chemical properties, B isotope occupy same position in periodic table, C isotope possess same atomic number, D in isobars total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus is same. So correct answer is option number A isotope possess same chemical properties. तापर हम देखिबा पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन जोटा इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन चलन आरंभ करिया पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन डेरी न करी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 the element or elements whose position in anomalous in the periodic table is option A halogen, B iron cobalt nickel, C inert gas, D hydrogen. So correct answer is option number D hydrogen. Go to next question. Question number 2. The energy released when an extra electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom is called option A bond energy, B electron affinity, C ionization potential, D electronegativity. So correct answer is electron affinity. Option number B. Go to next question. The cause of periodicity of property is option A increasing atomic radius, B increasing atomic weights, C number of electrons in the valence orbit, D the occurrence of similar outer electronic configuration. So correct answer is option number D, the occurrence of similar outer electronic configuration. Question number 4. In which of the following groups are the elements written in the descending order of their respective atomic weights? Option A nitrogen carbon oxygen hydrogen, B oxygen argon nitrogen hydrogen, C oxygen nitrogen helium hydrogen, D oxygen nitrogen helium bromine. So correct answer is option number C, oxygen nitrogen helium hydrogen. Go to next question. If electronegativities of two elements are low, the bond between the two is option A ionic, B covalent, C coordinate, D metallic bond. So correct answer is covalent, option number B. Go to next question. The most electronegative element among sodium, bromine, fluorine and oxygen is option A sodium, B bromine, C fluorine, D oxygen. So correct answer is fluorine, option number C. Go to next question. The most electropositive element among the following is option A sodium, B calcium, C potassium, D cesium. So correct answer is option number D cesium. Go to next question. Rare gases are generally chemically inert because they option A are monatomic, B have low ionization energy, C have stable electronic configuration, D high electron affinity. So correct answer is high stable electronic configuration, option number C. Go to next question. Question number 9. F block elements are called option A alkali metal, B inert transition element, C transition element, D transuranic element. So correct answer is inert transition element, option number B the correct answer. Question number 10. An element with atomic number 36 belongs to the option A S block, B P block, C D block, D F block. So correct answer is P block, option B the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 11. Consider the following statement. Option A. In the modern periodic table, the number of periods is 7. B. In the modern periodic table, the number of groups is 18. 3. The long form of the periodic table is developed by Reng and Werner. Which of the following is or are correct? Option A. 1 only. B. 2, 3. C. 1 and 2. D. 1, 2 and 3. So correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Option number D is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which one of the following is not periodic property, doesn't show any trend on moving one side to other in the periodic table? Option A atomic size, B valency, C radioactivity, D electronegativity. So correct answer is option number C, that is radioactivity. Go to next question. Question number 13. Which of the following group of the periodic table contains no metal? Option A 1, B 13, C 17, D 7. So correct answer is option number C, that is 17. Question number 14. Consider the following statements with reference to periodic table of chemical element. Option A. Ionization potential gradually decreases along a period. B. In group elements, electron affinity decreases as atomic weight increases. 3. In a given period, electronegativity decreases as the atomic number increases. Which option is correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 3, D 2 and 3. So correct answer is option number B 2 only. That means in group element electron affinity decreases, atomic weight increases. Go to next question. Question number 15. Which of the following properties changes with valency? Option A atomic weight, B equivalent weight, C molecular weight, D density. So correct answer is equivalent weight, option number B is the correct answer. Please subscribe कर दियंतु. Question number 16. Match the following. Option A Modern periodic table, B father of periodic table, C vertical lines with modern periodic table, D horizontal lines with in the modern periodic table. Column 2 रे हला 1 रे group, 2 रे Moseley, 3 periods, 4 हला Mendeleev. So correct answer is option number C, that is modern periodic table Moseley, father of periodic table Mendeleev, vertically lines in the periodic table groups, horizontal lines that is periods. Go to next question. Question number 17. The long form of the periodic table is based on option A electronegativity, B mass of the atom, C shape of the atom, D atomic number. So correct answer is option number D, that is atomic number. Go to next question. In the periodic table, metallic element appear option A in the left hand column, B in the top row, C in the right hand column, D in the bottom row. So correct answer is in the left hand column, option number A. Go to next question. The first element of rare earth metal is option A cerium, B actinium, C uranium, D lanthanum. So correct answer is cerium. Option number A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 20. Which of the following pairs of the elements in the same period of the periodic table? Option A sodium calcium, B sodium chlorine, C calcium chlorine, B magnesium Sb. So correct answer is sodium and chlorine. Option number B is the correct answer. এই ଥିଲା ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଜିର ସିଟିଭିଡି ର ମାରାଥନ କ୍ଲାସ୍। ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନେ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଡେଲି ମକ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ବିନା ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ରେ ବିନା କୋଚିଂରେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବା। ଏ ବର୍ଷ ତ ବହୁତ କମ୍ ସିଟ୍ ବାହାରିଛି, ତେଣୁ କେତେ ଟଫ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ହେବ ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ଚା ଘଣ୍ଟି ଆଇକନ୍କୁ ଦବାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିନିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ଅପଡେଟ୍ସ ଦେବୁ। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦିନ ଶୁଭ ମଙ୍ଗଳମୟ। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।